To buy shares on Interactive Brokers, follow these steps. Open account. Start by opening an account with Interactive Brokers. You can choose from various account types based on your investment needs, such as individual, joint, corporate, or retirement accounts. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your Interactive Brokers account using bank transfer or other accepted payment methods. Ensure you have sufficient funds to make the desired investment. Research. Use Interactive Brokers research tools and resources to analyze stocks and make informed investment decisions. Conduct thorough research on the companies you're interested in, considering factors like financial performance, industry trends, and growth prospects. Place order. Log into your Interactive Brokers trading platform and navigate to the stock you want to purchase. Enter the quantity of shares you wish to buy and choose the type of order. Review order. Double-check the details of your order, including the quantity, price, and order type before submitting it. Execute order. Once you're satisfied with the order details, submit it for execution. Interactive Brokers will process the order, and if it's a market order, it will be executed at the prevailing market price. Monitor investment. Keep track of your investment by monitoring stock performance, relevant market news, and any updates on the companies you've invested in. Periodically review your investment portfolio and make adjustments as needed.